Do you want to invest in the stock market but don't know where to start? In today's video, we'll explain how to open a Demat account and how to benefit from a long-term strategy. Hello friends, I'm Imran Khan and you are watching Vim Money Mindset. Today, in the second phase of the Zero to Hero Finance series, we will discuss a crucial topic, the stock market. There was a time when I had no understanding of the stock market, but today I'm here to share the secrets that led to my success. In this video, we will cover how to open a Demat account and its benefits, understanding stocks and how to choose the right ones, long-term investment strategies including blue-chip companies, dividends, and the magic of compounding. Are you ready to dive into the world of stocks and make informed investment decisions? Opening a Demat account is the first step to start trading in stocks. Choose a broker, complete the KYC Know Your Customer process, and submit necessary documents. It holds your securities in electronic form, making trading and managing investments easier. Have you opened your Demat account yet? If not, now is the time to start. Stocks represent ownership in a company and come with potential benefits. Look for companies with strong fundamentals, consistent performance, and growth potential. Blue-chip companies are large, well-established firms with a track record of reliability. They often pay dividends. Did you know that investing in blue-chip companies is considered safer due to their stability and history of consistent returns? Long-term investing helps in capital growth through the power of compounding. Dividends are regular income paid to shareholders from a company's profits. Compounding means reinvesting your earnings to generate additional returns over time. So, are you ready to invest for the long term and witness the magic of compounding? If you found this information useful, write "ready to invest in the stock market" in the comments and share this video so others can benefit too. In the next video, we'll cover insurance guide, term plans, health insurance, and avoiding ULIPs. Stay connected with Vim Money Mindset and don't forget to hit the bell icon.